Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and today we're going to be talking about fermented cabbage and the benefits and the probiotics and how we make it. And we're going to go through some of the qualities that probiotics and how it helps you to live a better life, a healthier life, and more enjoyable. So stick around. Alright guys, thanks for coming back. So today I'm going to show you a couple different ways that I do fermented cabbage. And there's a couple different ways that you can get this into like a coleslaw. Obviously we use our food processor. You can do it as a slicer. And so if you don't have ways of doing that, you can slice it up really small. Smaller is better. It helps the breakdown process. So you can sit here and we can slice this all up real nice and small. Or you can take your grater and you can grate it. So whatever means necessary that you can do it with, that's what you want to do. So what is fermented cabbage? Exactly how it says, it's cabbage that is fermented, but the benefits is what we're looking at today. So I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way. Obviously all our junk goes to our birds, so we have a separate bin for that. So let me get this over here. And this is what we have. We have,
Mark, it's going to fall.
You have a green head. We have a red head, and this time we're gonna mix with carrots. This is my last batch of fermented cabbage that we made a couple months ago. So we need to make more. But let's sit here and talk a little bit about fermented cabbage and the properties and the benefits from it. So if you use antibiotics, it talks about it in the word anti, meaning you're getting rid of something. Antibiotics kill our good biotics. Our probiotics, and that's the good bacteria that is in our GI tract. So what does the benefits of probiotics? It reduces the overall inflammation in your body. It improves digestive disorders. It improves your immunity. It allows you to have better nutrient absorption. It prevents the treatment of diarrhea. It prevents and treats diarrhea. Prevents food allergies. So if you're lactose intolerant, all these different food allergies, it helps with that. Improves high blood pressure, helps to reduce the chronic inflammation with arthritis, protects against infections. It's a better immune booster all the way around. It helps to improve your immune system. Helps women with their health issue, or health UTI tracts, any kind of infections that women can get. It helps with that. And it's a natural remedy for liver and brain disease. And some of the other great benefits of probiotic is that for mental illness, for leaky gut syndrome, depression and anxiety, cancer, hormonal imbalances, diabetes, weight loss, and lupus. So there's many different benefits of that. So what do we get for it? What vitamins and minerals also are in there? So we have vitamin C, you have 17%. Vitamin K, you have 8%. Iron, you have 6%. Manganese, you have 6%. Vitamin B6, we have 6%. And folic acids, we have 5%. So there's a lot of benefits into making your own fermented cabbage. So just to that fact alone, with the health issues, I was asked about depression and anxiety. Here's one thing that can help you out. So how do we get that? How can we achieve all this? And it's pretty simple. We're going to show you today on how to make it, and you only have to have a half a cup a day. It's really, and with having your own homestead growing cabbage, you can do this. This can all be organic right off your land, which is going to even be better yet. Obviously, in the wintertime, I went to the health store to pick this stuff up, but it's not going to be as good as if I had it out of my garden. Alright guys, so after you get your stuff all mixed up in here, you're gonna layer this in here, and you're gonna sprinkle Himalayan salt on the top, or whatever salt that you have, kosher salt, stuff that has some kind of minerals back in there, and that's gonna get the juices flowing. Ooh. Alright, so there's my first batch. And then what I'm going to do is just go over the top. That's really going to get your stuff, get that juices going. And then you start the pounding process. And guys, I sterilized my jars, put them in the, washed them good, I put them in the oven, got them up to 200 degrees for half an hour, sterilizing them. So we're gonna pound this down here, get the juices going, and then we'll start filling our jars up. Alright guys, so we packed our jars, and you can see that the juices are all the way up to the top on all of them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use coffee filters, and we're going to put a little bit of olive oil on the top just to make sure that it's sealed. It'll allow the vapors to come out, but it won't allow anything in there. And remember, oil floats. And then what you want to do is you're going to put this into an area, cover them, and then check them every couple of weeks until they're at the taste that you want. You'll be able to pull off the oil. I usually like to let them sit for a couple months. Then what I'm going to do, we'll do one sit right there. We go. So as you can see, all of the amount of cabbage that we had, filled up 3 jars. And this is a great way for you to make your own probiotics, and it's very simple, and you can just set it off to the side and wait a couple months, and you're going to have a great probiotic. And it's good for your nutrition system, it's good for you, your guts, everything about it. Your body will thank you for it. So guys, thanks for watching. Take your time, do yourself a big favor and help your body out. Try some probiotics. You guys take care, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.